Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm going to be reviewing the world's smallest micro voice recorder. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. If you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper left-hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. Appropriately named, this is the world's smallest. It is an incredibly compact audio recorder that is easy to use, it has continuous and voice activation recording, it offers a time and date stamp, and high recording quality. This recorder is one of the few I've used that you can actually listen to the files directly from the device using the included headphones. Alrighty everyone, so I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the world's smallest micro voice recorder will come with. So the first thing we'll notice when we open up the box here is of course the recorder itself. So if we take it out, the first immediate thing that we're going to notice is just the straight size. It's very small, very discreet. You can practically put this guy anywhere. It is comparable to the size of just an average paper clip when it comes down to it, making it very, very easy to utilize. So I'm going to go ahead and put that guy to the side for just a moment here. So if we take out the liner, what we'll notice is that we got a couple different things. So this is the headphones that will allow you to actually listen and play back the recordings directly from the device. Plugs in right on top through the 3.5mm insert, and that will allow you to listen and play back your files. So at that point, we also have our USB charging cord. So this is how you're going to charge the device, and also how you can transfer your files onto a computer. Plugs in through that same port on top, and then you have your USB output, which you can plug to either a computer or wall adapter for either charging or transferring purposes. And of course, the last thing we got here is the manual. So this is a manual that is handwritten by us over here at SpyCentre. Has all sorts of wonderful information in regards to how to utilize your product. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to take it into my back office and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to perform a couple tests for you guys just so you can get a general idea as to what the audio quality on this unit is going to sound like. So let's go ahead and do that.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Okay guys, so here we are in our back room. We're going to go ahead and perform a couple tests for you guys utilizing the world's smallest micro voice recorder. Please keep in mind all the audio that you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device currently. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take the recorder, I'm going to pop it in my pocket here, and me and Kenny are going to have a little conversation test just to give you guys a general idea what the audio quality will sound like. How's it going, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Doing good.
So this is a review received for the world's smallest audio recorder. Best product as advertised. This product performs precisely as advertised, and I would highly recommend it to anyone considering purchase. Of more importance is the superb quality customer support service offered by SpyCentre. They take the extra step forward in ensuring that their product performs as advertised. I cannot express a higher degree of satisfaction other than to give their personal interest in providing customer satisfaction another 5-star rating. An outstanding product and the best in quality customer support.
Perfect. So now what we're going to go ahead and do, I'm going to take the recorder out of my pocket, we're going to head up front, and we're going to perform a little distance test for you guys. Alrighty guys, so here we are up on our retail storefront, and me and Kenny are going to go ahead and perform a little distance test for you guys utilizing the world's smallest micro voice recorder. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand the recorder over to Kenny here, and we're going to do that distance test for you guys. So here's that. This is the audio quality on the world's smallest micro voice recorder at 10 feet. This is the audio quality of the world's smallest micro voice recorder at 20 feet. And lastly, this is the audio quality of the world's smallest micro voice recorder at 30 feet. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device. The compact design and state-of-the-art features makes this one of our best options. We do monitor the comment sections on our video, so if you have a question about this or anything else, please feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.